Hi, everyone. My name is Mariska, and today I'll be talking a little bit about vacant land in Pittsburgh and the importance of safe and sustainable green spaces. So the left picture is West Penn Playground in Polish Hill, and the right is the vacant lot next to Grandma Bee's in the Hill District. And the first question I'd like everyone to think about is why do some spaces look like the one on the left, and why do some look like the one on the right, and what determines that? This map shows vacant land in Pittsburgh, and you can see that in certain neighborhoods, there is much more vacant land than others. That circle on the left is largely the Hill District, and the bigger circle on the right encapsulates Larimer, Homewood, some of Wilkinsburg. Decades of discriminatory housing policies have concentrated disinvestment in these neighborhoods, and it is affecting the health of the people that live there. High vacancy rates have been associated with economic decline, safety concerns, and poorer health and well-being. For an example of a community green space, we have Shenley Plaza. So one thing we look for in green spaces is the availability of multiple pathways, entrances, and exits, which make it safer and more accessible. Other things we look for are lighting, signage, community engagement. Are things happening in the space that make people feel like there's a community they can be a part of there? And so for my MCSI project this summer, I worked with Grounded Strategies, which is a nonprofit in Pittsburgh that works to take vacant land in high vacancy neighborhoods and turn it into green spaces similar to Shenley Plaza. And we've been working with Grounded to see on spaces that are being created on vacant land, how can we practice sustainability and circularity when building those things that we look for, like pathways or signage? Circularity is keeping resources in circulation for as long as possible through reuse, repair, and recycling. So, for example, if a demolished building still has bricks, can those bricks be used to make a new park? And our goal is to ask community leaders and residents which materials might be available and which local businesses we can support. That way, the green spaces are created with the input of their community members and are spaces that make them feel safer and happier. And that's something we've been trying to incorporate so that we can create green spaces just like the ones that Pitt students enjoy for all Pittsburgh residents that are safe and made sustainably.